Right, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Daniel Mtsunge from Tech Africa again. Welcome to yet our other video tutorial edition. Today, I'm going to be talking of something that is very interesting. Probably people might think I'm sitting on a cooler box. If there was a cooler box like this, I think I would go from Cape to Cairo, drinking my beer, drinking my drinks, and also drinking my water. But ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what I'm sitting on top of, but we are going to find out in a couple of minutes. So I'm just going to take the keys, open up, and let's see what we have in here. It's nice. Right. Wow. I think I'm gonna put this in my pocket because this is a nice tricycle 38mm long shackle. I think I'm gonna carry this at home. Right. Probably is this a cooler box for sure. Maybe I might find water or a Coke inside here or a beer. Let me try and reach out. Oh, I found some water to drink. I'm sure this is a cool tank in such a hot weather like it is this summer. But let me try and find out if I can get something else. I've also found a cola. So is it a cooler box for sure? I'm not sure. I can't stop drinking because it is very hot this afternoon. But ladies and gentlemen, let's try and open fully the lid and see what's inside. Wow. So this is our latest trending 400-liter diesel transfer cube unit. This is a very nice, easy to use tank that you can find all over the world, but this is found here at Tech Africa. So what does this do? You can load diesel from a service station into this tank. This tank carries a capacity of 400 liters. So it's got an interlocking fuel cap there. As you can see, you can actually lock and no one can decant or drain your diesel at any given time. This tank also has a nice wired harnessed 4-meter cable with alligator clips. As you can see, this is a 12-volt pump, so you can clip these alligator clips on your car battery and you can start pumping your diesel. Also, what's interesting about this tank that we have here, it's got a 4-meter long 3/4 hose, delivery hose with an auto shut-off nozzle. As you can see, this is 4 meters long. 4 meters long. It's got a swiveling gun, and also that this is your trigger. It's also automatic. It cuts off automatically, and also you can actually lock it and leave it decanting your diesel at any given moment. And it also has a 12-volt self-priming pump, which has got a 30-minute duty cycle. It produces 40 liters a minute. 40 liters a minute, I'm talking of 400 liters in 10 minutes. How is it just to have a very nice cozy fuel tank at the back of your car? And like now, as you can see, I'm standing in my Ford Ranger. I've got the tank. It fits very perfectly. And this is all weatherproof. This is a must tank to have, ladies and gentlemen. So I am going to show you the last thing. So these are the alligator clips, like what I was saying. The cable is 4 meters long. I'm just going to try and get this cable to my car battery to prove and see if this is going to work for me on my Ford Ranger. I also got free water from Selector Power, courtesy of Tech Africa. So here I'm pulling my cable It's going. Allow me to open my car bonnet. What a clean engine, what a clean tank, what a smart tank, and a nice tank to use, especially a 12-volt tank. So, ladies and gentlemen, these alligator clips, this is your positive, and this is your negative. The moment you start using, you connect this. I'm sure you can come near so that they can hear. The pump, I'll switch it on. You can hear it making noise, and there. So this is our nice 400-liter smart diesel transfer cube that is a must to have. And ladies and gentlemen, you will find this at Tech Africa, only supplied and distributed and serviced and maintained by Tech Africa, a place where you get your quality industrial tools, mining tools, agricultural tools, and also domestic equipment at affordable prices. So I will see you yet on another video edition, but this is goodbye from me. Chario.